Hi friends, I'm Hatib again with some English sentence. Now I'm going to talk about the usage of recently and shortly. Some of you might be in confusion, or some of you might have been in confusion when using recently and shortly. What is the difference? Is there any difference? Yes, exactly. There is a huge difference between recently and shortly. We use recently for a past action while we use shortly for a future action. We use recently to convey something happened before a while we use shortly for something which is going to happen after a while. For example, if I have purchased something before a few days or before a few hours, I'll tell I recently purchased that item or I have recently purchased it. If I want to tell that I am going to purchase something within a few days or within a few hours, then I'll tell I'll shortly purchase it. Suppose your students are waiting for you to get the link of the Google Meet or Zoom classroom for attending an online class which you had announced before a few days. And then you will send a message to your students just like this. Students, the class will be started at 10:30 itself. I'll shortly send you the link, or I'll send the link shortly. Yes, you are going to send the link within a few minutes. And if your students ask you, "Sir, have you sent the notes which you had promised?" Then if you have sent the notes before a few hours, you can tell, "Yes, students, I have recently sent it." So this is the difference between shortly and recently. You can use recently for conveying an action which happened before a few days or a few hours, while you can use shortly for conveying an action which is going to happen within a few hours or a few days. Thank you very much.